During the fall, midwinter, late winter, a lot of our birds are fed upon by hawks. And one of the hawks that migrates into our area, I live here in the Shenandoah Valley, is known as the Cooper's hawk. And the Cooper's hawk will hide in trees and evergreens and feed on our birds that we're trying to attract with our feeders and special bird seed. So, one of the ways that you can really help protect your songbirds is to create piles of brush. And these piles can be 4 or 5 feet wide, maybe 8, 9 feet long, and up to 4 feet tall. And by piling branches or your prunings that you have in the garden, it creates a hiding place for your birds. So what I do is, and I like this one here, I like branches that have multiple layers. Something like a crab apple is great. And you're going to come in and pile branches, especially branches like this, that will give you space for the birds. So we take dead branches, we take prunings. As you see here, even Whitey the garden cat likes the shelter of the wood pile. And you can make these bigger. So if you have like a woods or something, you can make this even 6 feet tall by 5 feet wide. These piles also protect birds from the snow and the elements that you might get during the winter months. And what I normally do is throughout the winter, as I prune in the garden, dead branches, I keep adding to this. It doesn't hurt to put even evergreens, which I have some here, and leaves. So when you get predators, now Whitey doesn't feed on birds, but you might have cats. So this provides a lot of protection from predators like the Cooper's hawk. And I'm going to make one pile here. I'm going to make another pile over here, and I'll probably put another pile over here. This is a great way to help protect your birds in your backyard from predators. I'm Mark Viette. Join me next time in the garden.
For more garden tips, go to inthegardenradio.com.